Welcome to the Tabak. We're going to make the meanest, biggest obstacle course with our monster trucks.
Wow, that sounds awesome. We have a whole bucket here of monster trucks. We have all different types here.
I found all the trucks toys.
All the monster truck toys are in here. We have Mega Rex. Okay, we got all these tracks. Let's start building, I reckon. Woo! You gonna put monster trucks on the garage?
Yeah. Let's put him in.
Oh, up he goes. It's on backwards. Yeah.
Kaboom! I love this one. This one up here.
Our monster truck garage is ready. Look, it's cut. What's doing that too?
Let's open the track box. Yes, what's in? So many tracks.
Okay. Right. Which one should we do? This track? There's a couple over here.
Whoa. Look at that one.
Should we do this one?
Yeah. I got the pin. I got the pin.
Yeah.
The other one.
And this here. I believe we joined that there.
By test.
Mm.
Guys, let me test, yeah?
Oh, we test it later. Clip this bit in.
Okay.
Ooh, we got our loop.
Uh-oh.
So what's next? We have Mega Rex. Wow. We need to get past him.
Yeah.
You have to go to the next step.
level.
Yes.
Let's connect fists.
And where will we put this one? You have to defeat the dragon, don't we?
Yeah.
Defeat the dragon. Where will we put him? Right after the Mega Rex. We'll put him there. Okay.
The next one is going to be
El Toro Loco. El Toro Loco. So you have to reach level 10 for this to come up. Woohoo! And then you can go to the next obstacle course. Okay, what the other ones we got? Oh, yeah, we got a crane here. Yes, okay.
Ooh.
We have to break open this sea container. Okay.
But watch out for the bones.
Yeah, the bones are gonna fall down on you. Ooh. Okay, we'll put our after. Perfect. Want to choose your monster truck for the challenge?
Yeah.
All right, go grab it. Ben, which one are you choosing?
I'm going to pick Mr. What is this called?
What's that one? This old black cool guy.
Black. Yeah.
He's got Monster Jam on there, but I don't know his name.
It looks like a
If
Jeep.
anybody know the name, let us know. And who you've got? You've got El Toro Loco. This is his tower right here. Yeah.
I think you can beat
That's your monster truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, steady, go. Ha!
My one, at least.
No, oh, you did make it to the other side. What was that? Try it again.
I'll do it backwards.
All right, go. Oh no, it just cost too hard for it.
Yeah, I think so.
You know who can do this?
Hey.
I think I know who can do this course. I know her. I'll show you. I have here a box of cars. I reckon. Is that one? You're gonna choose a truck? Who you got, Ben?
Speed car.
All right, let's see.
Lightning McQueen.
You want to choose Lightning McQueen? Okay, let's see how good he is with this loop. Ready, steady, go. Woo! think Lightning McQueen fit in the track. Ah, he's stuck. Ah. How about you choose? You choose a different one. Here's a fast-looking car.
I want a skinny one.
You want the skinny one so it fits. This one looks fast. Let's try that, Josh. Woo! No. It needs to be heavy, I think. If it's heavy, then you're able to make it.
Car.
Okay. Try him. Ben, your fat one is good. He made it through. Oh no, what's happening? He's getting in by the Rex. Mega Rex coming. Not today, buddy. Woo. Safe and sound at the Dragon Castle.
Not today, buddy.
Toro Loco, go first.
Now the black Jeep. Let's go. Do it.
Whoa! Man, you did it! Look! The dragon got knocked over. That was easy. You want to have a go, Josh? You want to try and knock out the dragon? No, you don't want to? Oh, Ben already defeated the dragon then.
High five. I knocked it down.
You knocked him down with your high five.
Yeah.
El Toro Loco Tower. You have to hit number 10 to pass. Okay? Alright, who's first? You? Okay.
Let's go.
Oh! Oh! You almost knocked out the whole tower.
What
Your tower? Okay.
tower? Let's go. Oh.
What's that? Two weak.
Okay. Concentrate.
You knocked him out with your high five. Finally, we can move to the next obstacle course.
We're up to the last challenge.
Which is
The crane.
the crane with a sea container and some fresh bones in there. Josh is ready. Look at his arm. Oh, so high up. All right, give it your best shot. Wow! Wow! But it didn't break open.
That is so hard.
Okay, let's see if Ben can do it now. Wow! Look at all these bones.
That was fun.
There's
Join us in more adventures and remember to like and subscribe.